Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video we're going to be talking about Jflag. And if you guys don't know what Jflag is, Jamaica, that is the Jamaica place headquarters for LGBTQ the LGBTQ community in Jamaica, and that lobby group Jflag says it is uncertain about how it will continue its operations following a fire that destroyed its offices in St. Andrew on Sunday night. In a social media post, the human rights group said, "We will be providing an update when further details become available on how we foresee this impacting our programs, as well as to advise on the kind of support we will require to continue our operations." It's note that the fire destroyed files, computers, and other equipment. The fire department told the Gleaner that it received a call about 9:45 last night, after which a unit from the Halfway Tree fire station was dispatched. A unit from the York Park fire station was subsequently sent to help extinguish the blaze. The building was destroyed. Meanwhile, the lobby group expressed gratitude on the fire department and the police for their response to the fire. "We wish as well as to express our sincere gratitude to the police officers and firefighters who responded to the call and did so in the most professional and courteous manner." So I hope no one was actually hurt in the fire and they only just lost property, and I hope no one didn't actually set the Jflag headquarters on fire purposely, because you guys know we are forever the country that is labeled as the most homophobic, when in truth and in reality that's not the case. We have LGBTQ people in all positions in our community, and they go about their business freely without no one messing with them. But that's neither here nor there. I know for a fact other LGBTQ groups, whether overseas or just people in general that are LGBTQ members, are going to support Jflag, and they're going to be perfectly fine. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that somebody purposely put Jflag on fire? Do you think that it was just a coincidence and it just caught on fire? And what are your thoughts and opinions on Jflag itself? Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Hey, all them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go on back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.